So if you're one to buy the market from resistance and sell the market from support, you're doing it all wrong. So in this video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys why I only buy the market from the floor and I sell from resistance. So by now, most of you have heard the old saying, buy low, sell high. And you guys have heard what goes up must come back down. So the question is, where's the market going up to? And where's the market going down to? The market is only going up to a ceiling or resistance, and it is only going down to a floor or support. So when you think about it, support and resistance or trade with support and resistance are just areas of the market where price rose to or fell to and it reacted. So when you're trading in this fashion, you're actually trading with the odds in your favor. So one of the things that I tell my students is this: if the market is at resistance, I only have one option to trade, and that's down. I can only sell the market. And just like if the market is at support, I only have one option to trade, and that's going up. Now at any given moment, you have the option to buy and sell, but what do you think happens when the market is at resistance and you only have one option to trade, and that's down? And think about it, if it's at support, you only have one option, and that's going up. What do you think that's doing to your chances of winning? Exactly, it's increasing the odds of you winning. And while you normally have a 50% chance of winning, the odds are stacked in your favor when you're trading only down from resistance and up from support. And to be honest with you guys, when I'm trading on the market, I'm looking for the market to run up to a level of resistance so I can trade it down. I'm not doing anything. I'm not looking for a buy. I'm not trying to buy this market because it's already going up. I'm only looking for a sell. I'm looking for the next best resistance level to sell the market from. And if I see that the market is going down, I'm looking for the next best level of support to buy the market from. So therefore, there's never an option to buy and sell at resistance. There's only one option, and that's to sell the market. So another reason why I only buy at support and sell at resistance is that you're trading with market logic, because buyers only step in at support and sellers only step in at resistance. So you're moving with the flow of the current. You're not going against it. And as I tell my students all the time, all I want to do is ride the coattails of the market makers. I'm just following them, picking up the cookie crumbs along the way. So doing this, I'm actually avoiding buying high and selling low. So here's my logic. If you see that the market ran up from support to resistance, why would you look to buy the market? The idea of trading the market is to be able to make a lot of money. Go with the flow. If you know that the market's been going up, and it's finally at resistance, how much farther do you think, or could you expect the market to go where you can make a lot of money? The best thing to do is let the market tire itself out, exhaust itself, get to resistance, show signs of exhaustion, and then go back down. Only sell from resistance, and vice versa. If the market coming from resistance going down to support, why are you looking to sell the market from a level of support? Wouldn't you expect for the bears to be exhausted? Why would you expect to make a lot of money from selling from support? The smartest thing to do is to let the market show signs of exhaustion and turn back up, and then buy from that support level. And just as I tell you guys all the time, it's all about levels. So when you learn your proper levels that you trade from, you stand a chance of making the most money. So listen, hopefully this video made a lot of sense to you guys. Just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. As always, remember to remain and stay prayed up in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right? Peace and blessings, everyone.